Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making your Instagram account private. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up Instagram and head over to your profile page. Tap the menu button at the top right of the screen. Now select Settings from the very bottom. In Settings, tap on Privacy. From the privacy settings, tap on Account Privacy. You can make your account private by enabling this option. Once you make your account private, you will be given the option to manage your follower list and remove any unwanted people from being able to see your content. If you ever want to make your account public again, you can just come back to the same setting and disable it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.